So the hover effect challenge has officially concluded, and let's announce the winner. Let me go to a private space so I don't disturb people in here. Got my mic, so I'm ready to roll. All right, I think I'm all set. So we've got Bubble.io icon challenge. We've got 25 responses, and I cannot wait to dive deep into the submissions. As you can see, there has been a variety of options. Some were way off, some were a little close, but some of them, a few of them, really nailed it. Bottom line is that you had to figure out that shape elements in Bubble have the property to rotate. So if you guys want me to do more challenges and giveaways like this, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Here is the link or a page. This is how my Patreon page looks like. It's just patreon.com/bestbubbledev. Please. Here is group arrow, and inside the group arrow I've got two different shapes, shape top and shape bottom. And when this group arrow is hovered, I change the background color, I change the roundness from the bottom, and I change the bottom margin and rotation angle. I do the same thing for bottom shape. However, I change the top margin instead of the bottom margin, and the rotation angle is -14. When you preview this, you get this type of smooth experience. So at the end of the day, I had to pick between this one and this one. I must say this one is way better and it's much smoother. And finally, this guy is the winner. Congratulations to you, my friend. I'm gonna send you an email, and later I'm gonna send you the money as well. Great job. I really loved your icon. Please participate in the future challenges as well that I'm gonna hopefully organize. All right, hopefully you all enjoyed the challenge. I'm gonna do more stuff like this, and stay tuned. Please tell everybody to subscribe to my channel. I have the goal to get to 1 million subscribers at the end of 2024, which is almost impossible. So please support. Cheers. See you in the next one.